Hi, do you remember me? I am Jason, your GibScam avatar. Some of you will remember me from my introduction post. Glad to see you again. Today I am going to start with the first reason to get excited about GibScam. It's easy to learn. Boost productivity. The quicker new users can become proficient in the software, the faster they can work efficiently. Reduce errors. Well-trained users minimize the risk of operational mistakes. Enhance employee satisfaction. GibScam users feel at ease using the software, leading to increased job satisfaction. Accelerate training of new employees. New team members can be trained swiftly, especially beneficial in dynamic production environments. Increase adaptability and flexibility. GibScam empowers users to quickly adapt to changing project requirements. Therefore, easy-to-learn GibScam software is a key factor for success in the manufacturing industry.